Welcome to a new day of growth, healing, and alignment with your highest self. Today you step into the warmth, brightness, and renewal of the sun, a card of joy, clarity, confidence, and illumination. After the mystery of the moon, the sun arrives to show you what is real, what is pure, and what is meant for you. Imagine standing in a wide open field, sunlight pouring over your skin. Golden light warms you, awakens you, fills you. A child rides a white horse nearby, symbolizing innocence restored, hope reborn, joy rediscovered. The sun smiles upon you, inviting you to step into your highest, brightest self. The sun represents joy, clarity, success, vitality, positivity, freedom, inner child healing. This energy brings answers, it brings breakthroughs, it brings renewed confidence and the return of your personal power. The sun tells you, you are meant to shine. There is something you thought you lost, your joy, your hope, your spark, your confidence. The sun appears today to say, it's coming back. Your spirit is reawakening, the heaviness is lifting, your path is becoming clearer than ever. You are stepping into a phase of warmth, growth, and expansion. Close your eyes gently. Imagine standing beneath a radiant sun. Feel the warmth on your face, your shoulders, your heart. With every breath, the light fills you, melting old fears, dissolving doubt, illuminating your purpose. Whisper softly, I welcome joy, I welcome clarity, I welcome abundance. The light responds, you glow brighter. Today's energy favors boldness. Your practice, write one thing you want to achieve, visualize yourself already living it. Take one confident step toward it today. The universe rewards courageous hearts. Repeat with warmth, I shine with confidence, joy, and truth. My life unfolds with clarity and purpose. The sun brings radiance today. Feel your spirit lifting. Feel your path brightening. Feel yourself awakening. Join us again, and one of the Omniscient family will be here to guide you through the powerful judgment and rebirth of judgment.